distributors ng okay? And without further ado, of course, our presenter for tonight, our speaker for tonight needs no introduction actually. And when I talk about, the true example of success from ground zero, this is the guy. Ito yung guy whose face is marred by dust, sweat, and blood, okay? He breathes grit and grind. He truly understood sweat, blood, and tears, and eventually achieved the sweet fruit of success. And this is the guy that embodies it all, okay? He used to be working as a service crew, imagine that, in a fast food chain, and realizing that there's no clear hope in sight financially, okay? He later transitioned into sales and thrived by doing so for 20 years, especially in the field of multi-level marketing. Eventually earned him a position in the management as vice president for sales and marketing. Grabe di po ba? Grabe, right? So therefore, I'm sure that this is his expertise in the field of multi-level marketing and what he offers on the table will surely provide you with the opportunity to achieve financial freedom and revive your goals para mabuhayan muli kayo ng loob, your aspirations, and your dreams once again through Prospera X Global. So there. So today, so today, let us welcome with a warm hand and a warm heart, okay, Prospera X Global speaker, the debonair, the top-notch speaker, none other than speaker Mark Sona. Take it from here, Mark.
Wow, what a privilege to be introduced by Grabe. My mouth is already breaking and my nose is already pouring blood. Wow, what a great day everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good evening wherever you are across the globe because I do believe we have participants over other country and also majority in the Philippines. Thank you, Sir Eman, for that very wonderful introduction. Parang gusto ko na lang din makinig, sir, ano? Talagang napaka solemn and very, alam mo 'yon, napaka-lifting ng talagang para ako nasa pedestal. Thank you very much for that. All right, so I don't want to spoil your night, no? I don't want to wastes your time because I do believe all of us our time as much as I do mahalaga po 'yan. Okay, so I want to give you the best, the level of my best to give you the detail, the information that you will be needing for in this presentation. But before that, of course, I would like to recognize the presence of our management na nandito po sila ngayon. Thank you very much for that. Let's give a big round of applause ngayon pa lang sa atin pong mga butihing management. They deserve this as early as now. They deserve this recognition and applause dahil talaga namang yes, tama yung sinabi ni Sir Eman, talagang dumaan sila sweat and sleepless night just to brainstorm para makita natin yung napakagandang opportunity. And tonight, this is the best night dahil this will be the first and official presentation to give you the most, the cream of the crop of the experience na meron sila in this industry. Ibibigay natin lahat sa inyo. But to do that, to be able to get the most out of this presentation, I need your participation and cooperation. Alam niyo po ba, by the way, also to all the leaders, the 01, Apkira, Upline Chris, De Luna, and who else? Sir Bong. All right, who else yung mga ano pa natin dito, Sir Eman? Si Sir 30, andito
Um,
ba Sir 30?
yeah, on behalf of Sir 30, mukhang na-stuck siya sa traffic. He reminded me earlier. But he hope he would catch up
All right.
as soon as possible, boss.
All right, thank you very much. Don't call me boss. I'm not the boss. I'm your co-affiliates here. So let's be partner. Tawag mo na lang sa akin, partner. By the way, I'm
Partner,
your
yes.
co-host for tonight. Partner Mark na lang po ang tawag niyo sa akin. I'm done with all of those ano naman. Pero alam niyo, mas maganda partners tayo dito para kasangga tayo sa pag-asenso. Is it good? Okay lang po ba yon?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes,
Sige.
partner. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much for that. And alam nyo, sabi ko nga kanina, we are already get your attention and cooperation with this. Mas magiging effective ako if I have the effective audience tonight. No, mas maganda, let's meet halfway. I'll do my 100%, you'll do your 200%, eh di magiging 200% 'yan. Okay, okay lang ba kasi nakakasawa yung nakikita na natin sa Kongreso na sa government. Ang dami ng ghost project. Napakarami ng ghost project. Huwag naman natin dalhin dito. I-open natin yung ating mga cam, ng mga video po natin para makita yung glowing skin natin, makita yung ating participation. Just, ano yun, paikita natin na we are serious with this one because we are really really more than serious with this opportunity. Sobrang pinaghandaan din namin to. Talagang
Yes.
we are all excited. Ayan. So, maraming maraming salamat, no? Ayan, may mga nag-open. Ang gaganda pala nila, no? Ayan. So tonight will be an exciting, but let's just make it light. Let's just make it fun. But most importantly, gawin natin tong realistic. Pangit naman nagbobolahan lang tayo dito. Right, Sir Eman? No? Gawin natin
That's
siyang
right,
realistic.
partner. Yeah, that's right. Totoo yan.
Pangit naman, sabi nga nila, binola-bola ka lang, asadong-asado ka naman. Sabi yan ni Siopaw. Alright? So open natin yung kampo natin para ano. Sabi ng iba, naku, yan na naman, this will be another MLM meme. MLM ano na naman ito? Nako, bilog-bilog na naman. But to tell you frankly, hindi na po ito bilog-bilog. Square-square na po ito siya. No, triangle na po ito siya. But anyway, kidding aside, this will be a great ideas, connections, no opportunities to share with you tonight. Ano, please lend me your ears just for a few minutes lang naman po ito. Less than an hour lang po yung pag-uusapan po natin. Okay, so without further ado, are you ready? Please type number 2. If you are ready, please, I need your participation. Alam niyo po talagang we are so excited to share with you this opportunity tonight. Please, let's have a unity in motion. Ano tayo, karon tayo ng conversations. Kahit sa type lang po natin. Yan. So, please type number 2. If you're ready, yan. Marami nag-type ng number 2. From Tugigaraw. Pa-shoutout din ako, boss. Enzo. Ayan. Kira. Tugigaraw. Here, Power. Yan. Si Shaira Capistrano, number 2. Sino pa si MSA? Lucina Felipe, number 2. Napakadaming number 2. Yes, they are all ready. Okay, so with that, we're going to dive in with our opportunity presentation for tonight. Without further ado, I would like to present to you my screen. Please help me with all your indulgence. Ano po, Sir Iman, help me to assist po sa atin pong ano.
Yes, partner.
Nakita po ba ng malinaw ang aking pong screen?
Yeah.
All right,
Malinaw
so
po, malinaw.
all right, all right. So thank you very much. Okay, so please sa mga co-hosts also help us to admit yung mga papasok pa po kasi we still have around 1 million pang papasok. I don't, hindi ko lang po alam kung talagang kakayanin ng ating pong numbers of participants. So welcome everyone. Welcome to Pera. Ayan. So 5 bagay po ang gusto kong ipakita sa inyo dito tonight. 5 bagay. Ano po 'yon? Una-una syempre pag-uusapan natin pera. Pangalawang bagay pag-uusapan natin kwarta. Pangatlo, salapi. Pang-apat, anda. Pang-5, datung. So meaning to say, lahat tayo dito mukhang negosyante. Ando na yun, given na yun. Mukha tayong pera. Kailangan natin yun eh. But in a nice way naman. Okay, welcome to Pera, Prosperity, Empowerment, Rewards, and Assembly. Discovering the power of ProsperX where prosperity begins, empowerment grows, and reward awaits. Ayan. Moving on, our company is ProsperX Global where dreams expand without limits. This one emanates sobrang napakagandang energy with all the positivity. Kaya kung mapapansin niyo po sa amin ngayon, we are so excited and sobrang napaka ano po grateful namin na we are already connected. We are already plug in with the company, no, na nakapasok tayo dito as early as now. Of course, we have our own mission and vision to be clear with our directions, no, our trust and directions for the company. Prospera Global with Prospera X, no, what does it signify? Ano significance po nito? It exists to honor God, and by multiplying prosperity, expanding dreams, and empowering limitless lives. So basically, we want to give everyone a hopes and dreams to fulfill. Gusto natin marating natin yung mga pangarap natin dito. So let Prospera X Global be the instrument para makuha natin yon. So this is a God-centered opportunity. Okay, regardless kung ano man po yung inyong mga affiliation sa inyo pong uh, faith. So, this is a God-fearing business and management na naglilid po sa atin. Okay, so, uh, what are the X factor na kapag ikaw pumapasok sa gantong klaseng opportunity or any kind of opportunity, what are the X factor, no? Ang dapat nating makita. Tama po ba? Kailangan meron ka nakitang X factor, the edge, no? The advantage. Sabi nga natin, we have the unfair advantage kapag meron ka nito. Number one, okay, we are on our pre-positioning stage. So basically, this one is one of the vital. No? Kasi bakit? Sabi nga natin, you have the unfair advantages kapag nakapasok ka sa pre-positioning stage. Before the company launches, before everything starts officially, publicly, talagang dito pa lang po, para kang namumulot na lang na namimitas na lang ng bunga ng puno na hitik sa bunga. Para ka namimitas na kahit hindi ka ganun kagaling. Kahit baguhan ka, kapag nakapasok ka dito, kapag nakita mo yung opportunity, pre-positioning stage is one na magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang break. And we have that here in our opportunity. We have a world-class products. Why world-class? We are partnered with pharmaceutical laboratories. They are our suppliers. So we guarantee that 100% na nagre-release tayo ng quality, safe, and secured products. They are already expanding for how many years? More than 2 decades na po yung ating pong supplier. And in fact, our office is also located doon sa corporate office nila. Makita nyo po when you visit our office, doon lang po makita nyo na kagad yung supplier po natin. So you will feel confident, no, kapag nakapunta kayo sa opisina natin. We have unlimited potential income. Yes, that's why X. All right? So, generous compensation plan. Why generous compensation plan? Because isang bagay on my part as seasoned na rin, no, humbly saying, no, for the past 20 24 years na in the industry, 25 years, ay one of the thing na kailangan mo malaman, kumbaga pag nagninegosyo ka, you have the feasibility studies, yung generosity ng compensation plan. Is it applicable ba sa market natin, especially sa Pilipinas? 'Di ba? Kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi iisa ang market natin. We have flexible market. We have the upper market, we have the middle class market, we have the lower ground market. So kapag ang entry mo is only for the upper class, paano naman? So this one is a flexible kasi bakit? Open siya para sa lahat. You have the leeway. Pwede ka makapasok kahit alam mo 'yon, kahit sino ka, walang sinisino dito. Yan ang kagandahan sa atin po dito. A very generous marketing plan. Of course, hindi tayo papahuli. Of course, we are now in the digital advancement, no, economy. So dapat nakapasok tayo sa e-commerce. That's why we also adopt the dropshipping platform. Once the system is up, nandun na po ang dropshipping platform. Okay? And the last but not least, who are the people behind this opportunity? Who are the driving force para mangyari itong sinasabi nating opportunity sa bawat isa na pumasok dito ngayon? Okay? So, moving on, pakilala ko po sa inyo kung sino-sino po sila. But our office is located doon po sa Pasig City at the very heart of Ortigas. Okay? Alam niyo po, para magkaroon ka ng office dito, talagang you need to have millions in the pocket. Bakit? Hindi basta-basta pang monthly po dito. Okay? So, meaning to say, we are capable. The company is capable in doing so of our business. And actually, magbubukas pa lang po tayo. Soon to open by next year to have our grand launching 2026. Ngayon po, pre-positioning pa lang po tayo. This is just the initial, but never, wag na wag kang magpaiwan. Kaya habang nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. Ayan po ang office natin dyan sa 31st floor sa Burgundy Empire Tower. ADB Avenue, Corner Garnet, and Sapphire Road, Center, Pasig City. Across lang po ito ng Robinson's Galleria. Nasa likod lang. Okay? So, yan po at least alam nyo po yung ating opisina. Who are the people behind this promising project opportunity? Okay, let me share to you. A very good friend of mine, Vice President for Business Development. I call this person a leader with a heart. Dahil all his time no dedicated, din-devote niya po talaga ang passion niya, ang energy niya. Grabe din-devote po niya in this industry. I would like to introduce to you Mr. Alan Barnuevo, our VP for Business Development, with 25 years of experience in the industry of multi-level marketing business and consistently recognized as top performer in multiple network marketing companies. Honored as Millionaire Circle awardees across several organizations of MLM platforms with 5 years in the corporate side of MLM. So hindi po biro to have 5 years experience contributing to growth and strategy. Successfully build strong network across key cities and provinces nationwide. Up to date, grabe po yung kanyang energy. No, that's why majority ng nandito ngayon is under BP Alan. Right? That is our BP for Business Development. Of course, this person is really a driving force, no? Our Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Ramon Henson Jr. or in short, tawag namin sa kanya Doc Mon. Okay, who is Doc Mon? Simple lang po ang ating po mga owners. He holds a degree in Doctor of Dental Medicine with 20 years of experience in sales and marketing. Widely recognized as MLM icon and certified entrepreneur. Honor the millionaire circle across multiple companies. So basically, they are not just company owners. They are once a player. They are once a top performer in their previous companies and MLM na pinasukan po nila. So, kumbaga, we can guarantee na itong mga to, they are well capable of what they are doing because of the track record. Hindi naman po basta lang na kwento. No, it is supported by the track record, no? Talagang gumuhit na po ang pangalan nila sa industry. Hindi ako, baga hindi ko sila inaano, no? But this is really the reality. Talagang yan po ang nagawa po nila. Hindi po ito para lang i-build up sila ng store or whatsoever, but this is the reality. This is their name na talagang gumuhit na, nagmarka na sa industriya. He also built and launched a successful e-commerce brand with strong sales performance, a creator of proven system that generate passive income and promote financial independence. Now, making a powerful return. Basically, si Doc Mon, medyo nag-stop siya for a while because something came up. And right now, grabe po yung kanyang pagbabalik. Alam po naman po natin, second time around, iba po yan. Mas iba ang bagsik niyan. Dr. Mon leads a faith-driven company with a renewed purpose, dedicated to guiding individual toward meaningful success through core values, a clear vision, and God-centered leadership. Okay? So with that alone, masasabi natin, this is it. No, this is the right company for us. Okay? The last but not least, no, the MLM expert business leader. But I call this amazing woman the Queen of the Sea. Ayan. The Queen of the Sea. Bakit? Hindi dagat, ha? Vitamin C. Kasi bakit? Ay, grabe po. Diyan po nag-turn ang kanyang buhay 360 degrees with that gold mine product. Okay? Let's welcome our President and COO, Chief Operating Officer, Miss Cheryl F. Edman. Okay? With 25 years of proven success in multi-level marketing. 10 years as president of health and wellness company consisting generating 1B. Can you imagine that? We are speaking of not hundreds of thousands, not millions, but billions of sales annual for 4 consecutive straight years. Became the chief marketing officer of skincare company, proven top earner and top performer in every MLM company, joined before the transition into ownership and executive leadership role. Successfully handled and led 6 MLM companies with 2 years in MLM consultancy as of the moment. Currently, gumagawa po siya ng mga consultancy in different company. Guiding companies toward growth, structure, and sustainability. Entrepreneur in the restaurant and bar business owner. Now, can you imagine, no? Yung pinagkukonsultahan ng marami is now our president and COO. So what do you expect? Sa tingin mo, what are the things they are capable of? They are very promising. Again, hindi sa gusto ko lang silang buhatin, but that's really the skills, no? Yan yung kanilang experience. More than 20 years. Combined experience nila, around 80 to 90 years. Grabe po, no, ang atin pong company owners. Alright? Kasi very important, they are the foundation, they are the pillars of this project. Without them, malabo tong mangyari. There are always people behind in every success of the company. Okay? And para sa akin, I'm so honored, no, na makasama ko sila. And to be part of this company. Right, Sir Eman?
Yes, partner. That's true. Oh, we're
Alright, so
jam pa pala. Ha? Di na tayo mahulugan ng ano, karayom, ano, partner.
alright, no, welcome sa mga bagong pasok. And also, please type number 3 kung okay ba, capable ba? Talaga bang may sinasabi ba ang mga owner natin? Type number 3. Let me see if you're still there. Ba, 3M, talaga naman. X3M yan, upline. Yes, talagang ganyan sila. Listening attentively. Ayan, no? Alright, grabe, no? Yan, number 3 si Sir Bong, si Sir Nads, wow. Irene, si Aplan Raymond, si Ruth Lardy, yan. Apkira, yan. Thank you very much for your participation. So ba akong ginaganahan kapag kaganyan eh. Ayan, so, no? Huwag na po natin patagalin. Let's move forward. Our unique and best-selling products. As of the moment, since we are just no, this is just our opening, no. We have several products right now na available. Pero alam niyo po kasi, yung mga naka-line up, sobrang naku po, believe me, sobrang napakaganda. And to start with, we have our Beauty Transform Collagen Drink. Ayan, napakaganda po nito, napakasarap. Basically, ang pinaka-common denominator ng ating pong product ay pagandahin po kayo. Road to wellness and greatness. Okay? Beauty Transform Collagen is a ready-to-drink juice, no? Powder juice po ito. It has hydrolyzed marine collagen. Okay, alam naman natin yung marine collagen, maano po yan, kinukuha po yan sa ilalim ng dagat, ano? Sa mga isda, sa gills, sa kanilang bones, kinukuha po yung collagen doon para makapag-create po ng maganda pong ano sa atin, benefit sa ating skin. So black currant, black currant naman po ito, kilala din po ito. Actually, mga combinations dito sobrang good for talaga para sa ano pagpaganda talaga. Kaya nga ang tawag sa kanya, Beauty Transformed by Henkan. Ang black currant po is also known as smart berry. Smart berry is basically good for the brain and for the skin. Yan, sakura. Ang sakura naman po is actually a Japanese term for cherry blossom, no? It is extracted from the cherry petals, no? Na nagbibigay po ito ng magandang benefits po sa ating skin. Kaya ginagamit po ito ng mga kilala pong mga magaganda po sa Japan. Okay? And we also uses stevia, our natural sweetener. Sweetness without sugar. Stevia. Alright? And we have Garcinia Cambodia. Sumabog po ito, sumikat po ito, nag-viral po itong Garcinia Cambodia to suppress your appetite para hindi kayo basta-basta magutom, para po basically para maging slim, gumanda po yung ating katawan. Ayan, kung yung katawan natin dyan medyo ano na, belbakwan, ano, dito po magiging Coca-Cola body po kayo dito. Okay, we have aloe vera, no? Aloe vera is a long time na po ito na nakilala. Maganda po ito as for the longevity, no? Sa health po basically sa ating pong kalusugan. And the L-carnitine good for the metabolism. So basically ang ginagawa po nito, it improves skin health, it removes stubborn fats, reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, skin, hair, and nail support, increase skin elasticity, improves joint health. So basically, wala kang choice kundi gaganda ka. Yan, tingnan mo yung mga katabi nyo dyan sa Zoom, sa screen natin. Tingnan niyo po sila. Di ba? Ang babait nila. Okay. So, okay, dito po gaganda ka talaga. But by the way, may warning lang. Kasi dito 10 times yung skin mo babata ng gusto. So wag nyo po ito ipagamit sa 10-year-old na bata. Baka bumalik siya sa pagka-fetus. Ganun katindi yung product natin, ano? Yan. So, especially nowadays, grabe po ang stress. Nagkokos po ng mabilis na deteriorate ng ating skin, ng aging process. Okay, yan. Tingnan niyo naman si mama mo. So, glow that goes beyond picture. Ayan, sobrang satisfied sila sa paggamit po ng ating product. Yan, si Miss Crystalline Samson. And also, our second product, also from Henkan, Shine and Slay Collagen Drink. So, collagen pa din po ito. It has hydrolyzed marine collagen with biotin, fenugreek seed, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Yan. Lahat po yan, ang common denominator, nagpapaganda po yun ng skin, nagpapaganda po yun ng ating health, nagpapaganda po ng ating katawan. Optimum health po yan. Lalo kayong gaganda dito 10 times. Okay? It boosts the skin elasticity and reduces fine lines. So, kung mapapansin nyo, halos pare-para sila kasi gusto natin gumanda tayo dito. Hindi lang sa mukha, pati sa bulsa. Di ba? Pero sabi ng iba, gaganda pa ba ako? Puputi ka na lang. Kung pangit ka na talaga. Not unless magpa-opera ka. Alright? Kidding aside, joke lang po yan. Okay, glow that goes beyond picture. Yan po, we have our testimony with our product. Sobrang ang gaganda po niyan. And coming soon. Alam niyo po, hindi lang po ito kwentong ano. Coming soon, very very soon. Bakit po? Nahawakan na po namin yan. The skincare from Korea. Dito magiging kutis porcelana kayo, mga Koreano, Koreana na po tayo dito. Magiging glowing skin po kayo dito, parang kristal sa kinang. Ayan, coming soon na po 'yan. Antabayanan niyo po. Kasi napaka masela ng ating po mga founders and owners. Talagang alam nila what to pick, what products to pick na and to introduce to the market. And our very own flagship products alat talaga naman. The Gold Mine, the True Alkaline Sea, which is coming very, very, very soon. Few days or weeks from now, nandyan na po yan. This one is non-acidic vitamin C with approved therapeutic effects. So meaning to say, wala kayong makita sa box niya, sa ordinary box ng mga vitamin C, may nakalagay dyan, no approved therapeutic claim. Dito po, it has approved therapeutic effect. Meaning to say, meron na po talaga itong napatunayan pagdating po sa health concern. No, it is a tummy-friendly vitamin C kasi hindi po lahat ng vitamin C maganda po sa katawan. Meron po nakakasama kapag ininom po siya ng mas marami, nagkokos po ng acidity. Nagkakaroon ng acid reflux. So hindi po basta-basta po ang vitamin C. But this one, that's why we call this true alkaline C. So what is the importance of vitamin C? Una-una, we all know we cannot reproduce vitamin C. Ang katawan natin hindi kaya mag-produce ng vitamin C. Anong purpose ng vitamin C sa katawan po natin? You know what? Nowadays, we are facing to so much pollutions sa labas. So much environmental health, nagkukos ng health problem po sa atin. Lumabas ka man ng bahay o hindi, ang dami pong problem na magbibigay sa atin ng health problem. Okay, unang-una, andyan yung pollution, mga unhealthy diets, sleepless night, screening time po natin na hindi natin napapansin kahit nasa loob ka. Ang bilis po ng deterioration ng ating pong cell, ng ating aging po natin, sobrang bilis. Can you imagine, no? Nandun ka na screening time mo, tapos yung ginagawa mo with pressure pa, no? With quota pa, all of those. 'Di ba? Tapos nakaupo ka ng ilang oras na hindi mo napapansin. Grabe po 'yon. So, without the presence of vitamin C, by the way, vitamin C is can be considered as the first defense of our body. Kasi sa skin siya naka-focus eh. Pag maganda yung skin natin, remember, our skin is our first defense. So diyan pumapasok lahat. Kaya ang kagandahan nakikita sa balat minsan, nauuna na sa balat pa lang. Tingnan niyo po si Sir Eman, ang ganda ng skin niya, nag-glow. Alright, so vitamin C, meron tayong paliwanag dyan later on with the participation ng ating pong in-house doctor. Magkakaroon tayo. So this is just a ano po, no overview for you. Ang isang kapsula po niya, para ka nang nagpiga ng 100 kalamansi. Yung kalamansing malalaki pa. Or 25 apples. So gaano kadami yun? Gaano kadami yun? Sa isang kapsula po niyan. Ganun po siya kaganda. Alright? So, moving forward, we also have our Japanese ramen vendo machine for traditional setup naman po ito. Alam niyo po, sobrang ganda po ng platform po natin eh. They are not just focusing on one side of the marketing plan. Na tumitingin din sila kung paano pa tayo makapag-expand. That's why Prospera X tayo eh. We are moving beyond limit. This is limitless. Okay? At eto naman pong grabe diyan. Sino po nakakaano? Sino po ang nakatry na ng cup noodles? Meron ba dito nakatry na ng cup noodles? Type nga ng yes kung sino na nakatry ng cup noodles. Yung Japanese na cup noodles. Type yes nga kung nakatry na kayo. Parang wala yata. Yung cup noodles, yun po yung noodles na sa cup. Cup noodles. Okay? 'Di ba masarap 'yon? Nissin, yes, Nissin. Okay, 'di ba masarap 'yon? But this one, kung 'yun masarap, naka-powderize po 'yun. Ito po ay grabe. Bakit ko po nasabing ay grabe? Ay nasubukan na po namin 'yan. Talaga namang sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Grabe po. Meron po siyang mga ano ba 'yun, yung mga flavor niya ewan ko, parang may miso yata doon, no? May miso. Yaudu, ano pa? Hindi ko alam kung may sinigang pa doon na Sir Eman. Pero sobrang sarap ng mga flavor. Grabe po. Authentic talaga siya. And soon it will be discussed sa atin po paano tayo makapag-avail po niyan. Sobrang ganda po ng market din po nito. Alright. Now, eto na. So those are the products that we have right now. Pero we have this week, no, ipipresent na rin po natin yung mga available products natin talaga na ilalabas din. Sobrang gaganda din. Grabe, amazing yung mga management naman talaga natin. Sobrang galing nila mag-pick, ano? We have products na lalabas pa po. So, antabayan niyo po yun. Okay, now, how to get started? Wag na po natin patagalin. Alam ko lahat tayo dito gustong kumita. Pwede bang makabili ng vending machine na yan? Pwedeng pwede. Yes, it has Complan. Meron na po itong affiliated na marketing. Okay? Soon, i-discuss po namin na separate meeting po yan. Alright, so thank you very much, Sir FJ. Thank you, thank you. Now, we have 3 simple steps to earn. Number 1, all you have to do is to avail the products. Number 2, use the product. And of course, all you have to do is to share the products. Paano ka na naman makapag-share kung hindi ka nakagamit? Tama ba? At paano ka naman gagamit kung hindi ka bibili? Ano yun, libre? Wala pong libre. So dito kailangan bibili po tayo. So what do I mean? Simple lang naman po ito. We are a product base. So meaning to say, we have products to use. At yung product na po na yan po yung isi-share po natin. The goodness, the benefits of the products. Soon, ipapakita po namin sa inyo yung description pa po ng in-depth knowledge about our products. Sobrang ganda po niyan. Now, to start with, we have 2 types of packages. It is divided into 2. We have the basic product package and we have the premium product package. Dalawa lang po yan pagpipilian po natin. And on our basic product package, we have 3 categories, no? We have the X1, the 1,798. I believe this is just a promotional package, no? So 1,798 with an earning potential of 15,000 per month. It is a maximum income. and it has 50 points value. You can get either, you can choose from option number 1, True Alkaline Sea, dalawang box po yan, with money, with product worth value for your money, 1,700 pesos. So parang nagdagdag ka lang ng 98 pesos, may business ka na. Or you can also opt to choose option number 2, 1 True Alkaline Sea and 1 Shine and Slay. No? It is worth 1,649. It's your choice. Don't you worry. Flexible po ang lahat. Hindi namin kayo pahirapan. Yan ang kagandahan ng atin pong marketing plan. The next one is the still on the basic entry 2998, 2,998. And you have the potential income of 96,000 per month. Not the maximum but per month. Ibig sabihin pa ulit-ulit. Meron po itong 100 points value. Later on, I will discuss the point system. Or you can choose sa two options pa rin. It has 4 box of True Alkaline Sea worth 3,400. So this one, this time, more than value for the money ka na. Naglabas ka ng around 3,000. Yung kapalit sa'yo pag nabenta mo is 3,400. Option number 2, dalawang vitamin C is dalawang Shine and Slay. Okay? Next, the last package from the basic entry, the 5,998, the X3. Okay, you can earn as much as 2,888 at 288,000 per month with 200 PV. Of course, it has 7 True Alkaline C, vitamin C, worth 5,950. Okay? So actually, kapag tinignan mo yan sa SEC, 70% lang naman ang required eh. But this one, we give it more than, no? 100% and more than 100% ang binibigay po natin. Okay, and also for the option number 2, 5 True Alkaline C and 2 Shine and Slide with worth of 5,848 pesos. Ayan. So that's for the basic entry level. And for our premium package, we have 11,998, the X4. You had the potential income per month of 768,000. Wow. Okay na ba ang 768,000? And it has 400 PB points. Okay? You can choose from 14 True Alkaline C or option number 2, 10 True Alkaline C with 4 Shine and Slay. Okay? Ang kanyang product worth is 11,900. Okay? More or less. Okay? And to our last, highest package po natin is that X3M or what we call Extreme Package. Only 84,000 pesos. But you can earn as much as 1.1 million or 1.152 million to be exact per month with 1,200 PV. Okay? Ito maganda. Bakit? Ang kapalit po niya na vitamin C is 136 boxes True Alkaline C. Ang kanyang product worth is as much as 115,600. Magkano lang ang nilabas mo? 84,000. If you have the market, believe me, dive in ka na. Mag 84,000 ka na. You will see the benefits later on bakit meron po nito. Talagang naka-design. Okay? Next, you can also choose, ba't bumalik ako? Okay? Option number 2, it has 69 True Alkaline C. Kung gusto nyo naman, na may Shine and Slay, meron po itong 71 with a total of 115,379. Alright? So, walang tapon. Meaning to say, you get your money, value for your money. Wala ka ditong talo. Unlike sa iba talagang babayaran mo pa. Dito po, yung nilabas mo, ibabalik din sa'yo 100% or more than. Okay? How about the business plan? How are we going to earn with our marketing plan? We have that 10 extra ways to earn. Pag sinabi ng extra, syempre kaya nga tayo unlimited. Extra, extra, extra. Ang daming extra. 10 extra ways to earn. Number 1, we have the retailing. In benta-benta, we have the personal sales bonus. We have the extra boost bonus. We have the exponential bonus. Number 5, we have the exclusive X4 bonus. Exclusive X3M bonus. Grabe mga exclusive na to, no? Dami. team matching bonus, the Excel bonus, redundant binary bonus, extreme lifestyle bonus. That's why we call this the extra ways to earn. Alright? Next, paano ba yung retailing po natin? How much ba yung vitamin C na yan? Kanina pa natin binabanggit. It's only, talaga naman, 850. Alam na alam po, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we have the queen of the sea. Alam na alam po nilang iposisyon yung vitamin C, yung product na yun. It's only 850. Sabi ng iba, mahal naman. Meron po itong 100 capsules inside na naka-blister. So, SRP price per capsule is only 8.50 centavo. But if since you are an affiliate, kapag nagpa-member po kayo dito, nag-purchase kayo dito, you will get discount. For the X1, the 1,798, you will get 20% discount. So, makukuha mo na lang siya sa repeat purchase mo ng 680. And you will have your retail profit of 170 pesos. So, dito pa lang ha, X1 pa lang po ito. 170. Makasampung box ka araw-araw, may 1.7 ka na. At sobrang, hindi tayo masaya. But sobrang laki po ng demand ng vitamin C ngayon. Bakit? Alam nyo naman po ang nangyayari. No, we are now, nag-o-observe po sila. They are closely monitoring kung kailan bang mag-declare ng another ano po. Alam mo yon parang, kasi nagkaroon po ng ng surge yung flu right now. So, even mga schools nagko-close muna, wala mo nang pasok, nagsususpend because talaga naman ang pagkakahawa sobra. Diyan sa Quezon City alone, grabe po. Nagsuspindi po ng mga pasok sa mga bata kasi ang bilis pong makapaghawa ng sakit. Vitamin C po ang kailangan po nila. Okay? Now, kapag nag-avail ka ng higher package, of course, you will get a higher discount. Yung X2 natin is 25% discount. So instead, makukuha mo na lang siya ng 637.50. May tubo kang 212.50. For the X3, you get 30%. X3 is the 5,998. 30%, you will only get it for 595. So meron kang tubo na 255. For the X4, as much as 35%, makukuha mo na lang ng 552. Close to 300 ang discount mo. And lalo naman kapag nag-extreme ka, up to 40% discount. Biruin mo, 510 mo na lang makuha. Magkano ang Magkano ang tubo mo? Wala na. 340, dalawang box lang ng vitamin sa araw-araw, buhay ka na. Buhay ka na. Daig mo pa yung minimum wage kayo ng mga empleyado. 340, that's 680 ka na per day. Dalawang box pa lang. Kaya dito sigurado marami ditong not to hype pero nangyari na kasi to before. Okay, tuturuan tayo ng company tuturuan namin kayo paano ibenta. Okay? Now, personal sales bonus sa mga mahilig po mag-sponsor, sa mga kakilala, kaibigan, kamag-anak na gustong magnegosyo. This is the best opportunity na pwede nyo i-offer sa kanila. Be rewarded by sponsoring new people through selling product packages. Now, if this is you, makasponsor ka ng isang X1, you will get 150 pesos referral bonus. For the X2, 250. For the X3, 500 pesos. For the X4, 1,000 pesos. And for the X3M, as much as 5,000 pesos. Walang limit po ang pag-i-invite. Okay, the more, the merrier. Okay, yan po yung atin pong personal sales bonus. Next is we have the extra boost bonus. Can you imagine? Extra boost. Ano naman po ito? It is only applicable from your third direct onward. Okay? So, kapag ikaw X1, X2, X3 ka, sad to say, wala tayong extra boost bonus. Pero kapag X4 ka, X3M ka, meron kang kikitain. Okay? Pag nakasponsor ka ng first and second, wala ka munang extra boost doon. But you have your direct referral, katulad na pinakita ko kanina. So katulad nito, pag X4 ka, okay, from your first to second, meron kang tigwa 1,000. Okay? Pero kapag X3, pagdating sa third, nakapag-invite ka ng pang third direct mo, hindi na 1,000, magiging 1,500 na siya. an additional of 50%, 1.5 na. Pero kapag ang account mo is X3M, let's say for example, nakakuha ka rin ng X3M, di ba 5,000 yung referral niya? Pangatlong X3M mo will be 6,500 pesos. This is your extra boost bonus. Okay? But don't you worry. Kung halimbawa X1 ka lang, bakit? You have the chance to upgrade. 1 level up, 2 level up, 3 level up, 4 level up. Wala pong time frame kung kailan mo gusto. Okay? Next, we have the exponential bonus for X4 and X3M accounts only. So, kailangan po natin talagang i-avail, no? Pagsikapan po natin. Kung hindi kaya, bilisan mong workout, then you upgrade yourself from X1, X2, X3 to X4 and Extreme. Kaya, dahil nandito po talaga ang malaki pong bonuses. Okay? Kaya nga tayo extra. Okay? Dito po sa exponential, from your third direct, no? Doon sa first two nila, kikita ka ng exponential bonus. Sa first two nila, kapag may pumasok na X4, meron kang additional 200 exponential bonus. Pag ang pumasok naman X3M, Extreme, meron kang additional na 400 exponential bonus. Etong malupit. Bakit? Etong malupit. Kasi this is infinity wide, infinity deep. Pwede mong kitain. Tingnan nyo po, kapag ikaw to, no, this one, ikaw yan. Okay, nag-invite ka nakapag-invite ka ng pangatlo mo. At yung pangatlo mo nag-invite ng unang dalawa niya. So kung X4 lahat yan, you get dalawang 200 exponential bonus. That's 400. Now, yung dalawa niya sa ilalim, nag-invite din ng tigdadalawa, right? Sa unang dalawa din nila, continually or continuously, meron kang exponential bonus. Kung X4 ulit yan, meaning to say, magta-times 2 na naman po yan. At ang malupit pa doon, yung unang dalawa ng dalawa din nila, unang dalawa din, meron ka pa rin 200 doon. Given the example of X4 lang po muna lahat. Okay? Can you imagine? This is infinity. Pag nag-duplicate yan, eto po yung potential income mo. Actually, nung nakita ko po, sabi ko, wow, iba to. No, they call this sa other company in my company before then, I call this pass up. This one is exponential bonus. Bakit exponential? Kasi po infinity wide, infinity deep, starting from your third direct. Okay? Ito malupit. What if extreme lahat yung mga nakapasok? Dahil naghahabol nga dun sa mas mataas na income. Aba, ito na mangyayari. 400, 400 by 400 by 400 yan. Nagduduplicate po yan. Nagduduplicate, nagduduplicate, nagduduplicate. Grabe po. Dito pa lang, exponential bonus pa lang. Talagang mamumutakting ka na ng, baga, tatabo ka na ng gusto. 'Di ba? Papaldo ka na, no? Sa term nga nila, papaldo ka na. Now, we're just talking of third direct mo. Sa tingin mo kaya pag kumikita ka na maraming sasali sa iyo? Definitely. So pag nag-invite ka ng pang fourth mo, additional naman every two po nila. Ay grabe. An additional 200, 400, 200, 400. Eh, paano kung nag-invite ka pa ng 10? Paano kung nag-invite ka pa ng 20, ng 30, ng 100? Naku po, exponential. That's why we call this, ang ganda ng term. Grabe mag-isip yung mga owners natin. Exponential bonus. Alright? Ganun eh. We have that management. We have that founders. Okay? Well-experienced founders. Number 5 is the exclusive export bonus. Ano naman to? Alam niyo po, parang binigay nila lahat eh. Kasi kaya nga, kung mapapansin nyo from the name itself, prosperity. Prosperity is not meant to be kept. It should meant to be shared. Sinishare po nila yung kanilang na-experience na. Actually, tapos na sila eh. Dapat tayo naman. Kaya binigay na po nila. X5 or exclusive X4 bonus. 2 times 4 bonus. Paano po ito? Sa first 30 days mo, sumali ka ngayon. First day mo kaagad bukas. Meron kang 30 days. Pag naka-sponsor ka ng ng dalawang X4, pero dapat X4 ka rin ha. Before that, that's the rule. Pag naka-sponsor ka ng dalawang X4 within 30 days or before 30 days, meron kang additional na X4 product package worth 11,998. This is the perks. Ganyan kaganda sila, kagaling mag-isip sa mga privileges. Within 30 days, pag na ano mo, na break mo yung ano mo, yung ice, na break mo yung nagkaroon ka ng momentum, nako, 11,998. Pag binenta mo yan, pera ng maliwanag yan. Okay? So the same with X4, pwede ka rin. X3M. Na number 6, we have exclusive X3M bonus. So dito naman, without time frame po ito ha. Again, without time frame. Pag naka-sponsor ka ng tatlong X3M, hindi ito 30 days, you will receive 100,000. Makalaglag bangko ito. Biruin mo ha, on top of your referral, personal sales bonus, on top of your team sales bonus, on top of your extra bonus, on top of your exponential bonus, you have an additional of 100 total exclusive bonus. 50,000 in cash and additional 50,000 worth of products. Exactly, paldo po ito. Paldo. Paldo talaga. Kaya nga, Prospera X eh. This is talagang beyond complan nito. Talagang hindi ito maiisip ng ordinaryo lang. Extraordinary ang may nag-isip nito. Alright? Now, team sales match bonus. Ito po, add-on na lang ito eh. Add-on na lang, pero grabe din po ito. Ito po yung binary, no, na tinatawag for the common term, binary. Okay? So for the X1, meron po itong 50 points. Pag nag-pair po yan, one on the left and one on the right, meron po itong 250 pesos na pairing. And then for the X2, the 2,998, pag nag-pair po yung 100 to 100, you get 500. And for the X3, 1,000. For the X4, 2,000. And for the X3M is 6,000. Now, take a look the percentage. Pay attention. Sa ngayon, if you are a networker, makita mo na yung edge natin dito sa binary natin. Napaka-competitive. Very strong, solid, pero alam mo yun, napaka-lucrative po niya. Napaka-generous. Kaya nga sabi na, wala na. Di ba, Prospera X tayo? It will explode. Exploding talaga yung kompla natin, sobra. Why? Wala po itong prepare, wala po itong flash out. The maximum income na pwedeng kitain ng X1 is 15,000. After that, stop na. Kailangan mo na mag-upgrade. But for the X2, as much as 96,000 per month. For the X3, 288,000. X4, 576. And Extreme, 1.1 million. Posible ba with that comp plan? Yes. Posible. At ang malupit at pinaka-the best, and we have the blueprint right now, we are a one-account policy. Walang choice sa upline, kundi isalpak ng isalpak ng isalpak sa ilalim po natin. Kaya nga sabi ko, this is your unfair advantage. Pag nakaposisyon ka na kaagad, wag mo nang bitiwan. Bakit walang choice sa upline? Pag sobra-sobra na, i-spill over na yan sa ilalim po natin. Excel bonus, hindi pa po tayo tapos. Excel bonus, earn as much as 5 to 20% on the matching sales bonus of your direct sponsored. Okay? But this is also exclusive for X3, X4, and X3M package. And what is that? Paano po ito nag-work out? If you are an X3 package account holder, you get 20% sa lahat ng first level mo. So meaning to say, if you have first level na kumita sa kanyang team sales match bonus or matching sales bonus, you get 20%. That's 2,000. So kung every week niyang kinikita yan, every week kang may kinikita ang 2,000 sa kanya. Now, on the other side mo, kumita din siya ng 20,000. So can you imagine, no? Balikan ko lang. Ibig sabihin, kahit wala ka pang kaliwa, o wala ka pang kaliwat kanan, isang side pa lang gumagalaw sa'yo, at yung isang side mo, leader, networker, performer, achiever, dun pa lang buhay ka na. Did you get my point? Andiyan pa ba kayo? Na ano na ba kayo? Na-overload na po ba kayo? Type nga number 5. Kung nandyan pa kayo, type number 5. Andyan pa ba kayo? Overloaded na ba? Ano po, hindi, not, this is not hype. Kung mapapansin nyo, this is encrypted sa Complan. Hindi po ito hype. And these are real numbers. Sabog talaga, definitely, Sir Peter. Okay? X3M. So, pag nag-invite ka pa ng second direct mo, pag kumita siya ng 20,000, another 20% ka, so that's 4,000. Okay? At itong good news, bakit? Kapag export ka, hindi ka lilimitahan sa first level mo. Bakit? Kapag X4 package holder ka, yung first level mo, nakapag-invite ng isa, first level niya will be your second level. You will have another 10% sa kinita nila. Kung kumita yan ng 50,000, you will have 5,000 Excel bonus on your second level. Sulit ba o sulit? The same with the other side, you'll get 10%. At eto malupit. If you are an extreme package holder, account holder, okay? Yung first, second, third level mo, no? Pag nag-produce, nag-invite siya ng pang third or ng pang first niya, yung second level mo will be your third level. Aba, up to the third level, you will get an additional 5% on the left and 5% on the right. Ganun po siya kalupit. Now, can you imagine if you have 20 directs, 30 directs na kumikita araw-araw? Pagpalagay na lang po natin, you have 100 direct na kumikita na lang ng 10,000 pesos kada linggo. 10% ka na lang na nga, 10% ka na lang dun eh. O 20% ka sa first level mo. So meron kang 2,000. So can you imagine 2,000 ka sa 100, 200,000 ka Excel bonus mo pa lang. But take note, ano? Ito po, bakit? We have the capping. Kasi Excel bonus na lang po talaga ito eh. Okay? Ang X3M po, ang capping po niyan per day is 5,000. Okay? Sa X4, 7,000. X3M, 12,000. Lalabas, ang total income na pwede mong kitain sa X3M dito sa Excel bonus, pag X3 ka, sorry, X3, not X3M. Pag X3 ka, as much as 120,000 per month sa Excel bonus mo. Sa X4 mo, 168,000 per month. Pero kapag extreme ka, X3M, 288,000 ka per month on top of your other bonuses. Kaya nga sabi ko, exploding ang Complan. Literal. And we have our redundant binary. Before, it is coming soon right now, nandyan na po sa system po natin. Based on accumulation of retail points and packages. Tao sa product, nagpapares. Product to product, nagpapares. Tao sa tao, nagpapares. And this is another extra explosion. Grabe. Ang X1 is 50 points, X2 100, blah, blah, blah. So, meaning to say, ang requirements mo lang to have one pairing bonus is 500 points sa left and right mo. Now, for example, vitamin C, meron po itong 2.5 retail points. So, ang kailangan mo is 100 points sa left and 100 points sa right to get the 500 binary. So, meaning to say, kailangan mo lang ng 40 boxes na total ng true alkaline C box or vitamin C, makakapag-ipon ka na ng 100 points sa left side mo. And on the other side, merong dalawa naman na X1 na pumasok. That's 100. Magpe-pairing po yan. You will get 500. What if naman merong 40, no? True alkaline C na 100 points. Tapos may pumasok na 40 din na true alkaline vitamin C. 100 points din yan. Magpe-pairing din po yan. Okay? So yan po again. Kaya sabi namin, no choice. Etong binabanggit po dito, talagang gusto nilang ini-emphasize nila na talagang yung sinasabi naming figure na yan ay mangyari. With all of this support, no? Support system sa Complan, grabe po. Ang ganda ng kanyang kaya ng kanyang integration sa Complan. Kung medyo maalam kayo sa Complan dahil needless to say um, ako naman ay gumagawa din ng Complan. Pero napaka-genius po ng gumawa ng Complan na to. Well coordinated po lahat. Well coordinated. And the last but not least ay grabe no. Yung income mo na yun, income mo na lang yun talaga. Yung mga luxury na gamit, lifestyle mo, eh dito mo na kunin sa Extreme Lifestyle Bonus. Ano lang gagawin mo? Gumamit ka lang ng produkto. Bibili ka lang worth 2,000 pesos to qualify every month sa raffle. Ang malupit doon, pag naka 2,000 pesos ka na, eh malupit. Pwede kang manalo ng Rolex, pwede kang manalo ng Gucci, pwede kang manalo ng sasakyan, ng Honda, ay sorry, ng Hermes, ng belt, ng Laos, Lacoste, okay? Ng laptop, lifestyle, no? Mga bags, LV, sapatos, lahat po niyan. Dito po yan sa ating extreme lifestyle. Biruin mo ha, gumamit ka na lang. Oh, bumili ka na nga lang eh. Tapos yung binili mo, binenta mo pa, kinita mo pa eh. Eh tapos meron ka pang raffle bonus na pwede kang manalo ng ganyan. What do you think will happen? Wala na. This is really prosperity. This is abundance. This is how Prospera X Global works. In Prospera, only few will be part of the pioneering stage. Sabi nga, there is a plan for us. Okay, ako, matagal ko pong pinanalangin na maka-encounter ako ng para sa akin din, yung babahayan ko rin. And ako naniniwala, eto na yun. Eto na yun. Nakita ko, nakausap ko sila. Hindi lang ako nag-zoom talaga, kinausap ko sila. Dahil may alam na rin tayo, nakita ko yung puso nila, nakita ko yung drive nila. They speak from the heart. No? So sabi nga dito sa Jeremiah 29:11, merong plano para sa atin. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and the future. Nandyan na yan eh. I-work out na lang po natin. Lagi natin siyang unahin. Pag inuna natin siya, guaranteed. Believe me. Guaranteed ibibigay sa atin. If we deserve, trabahuin lang po natin. Alright? So I think I'm done with my presentation. Okay? Tell the person who invited you. Okay, regardless kung ano man siya, he is a business interested, business savvy man siya, networker, whatsoever, or product user lang siya, kausapin niyo po sila. Sabihin niyo po, magjo-join na po ako ngayon. Mag-X3M na po ako ngayon. Huwag na po natin patagalin. Okay? Ano man yung reason bakit ka nandito ngayon, I do believe there is a purpose. Sa dinami-dami na pwede, tayo yung nandito ngayon. Huwag niyo pong sayangin na mapunta sa iba yung opportunity. With that, maraming maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. This is your partner Mark nagsasabi, good vibes, happy earnings, happy with Prospera. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Back to you, Sir Eman.
Wow! Solid! Thank you very much sa napaka-informative at nakakabuhay ng dugo na presentation na ipinagkaloob sa akin ng walang iba kundi si coach partner Mark. Maraming salamat. Grabe, di po ba? Grabe yung opportunity na ipinagkakaloob ng Prosper X Global. Kagaya nga, i-relate ko na rin yung X. Napaka-exceptional niya, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? And ano pang hahanapin mo from head to foot, from top to bottom? Kinover niya na. Wala ka nang masasabi pang iba. And of course, this blueprint of marketing plan was actually done by our esteemed founders. Yung mga tao na nasa likod ng napakagandang opportunity na to. All right? So again, we truly appreciate Coach Mark Sona yung presentation ninyo. And of course, okay, may mga tanong po ba kayo? May mga clarification? May mga paglilinaw? And not only that, in the history ng multi-level marketing history, ngayon lang tayo nakaranas na meron tayong 5,400 attendees.
Yes!
Proud of that. Guys,
Yes!
Prosperians,
Sabog!
meron tayong 5,400 attendees tonight.
And by the way, Sir Eman, we
Yes.
are so privileged and honored and we are so grateful to have us tonight para magbigay sa atin ng
Yeah, yeah.
closing
I'm on my
remark.
way
Please
there.
do the
Yes.
honor. Oh,
Yes,
ikaw
boss.
na, ikaw na. Ikaw na, please do the honor of our,
Yes,
of
I
course,
want to do the
grabe,
honor, of course,
CEO.
of
Ikaw na. Do it, do
okay.
it.
And I want to make it quick for you guys because I understood that you're quite busy with other things pa. Yet then again, the closing remark, which will be presented by one of our founders, is very important dahil nais naming matiyak na bukod sa marketing plan na tumatak sa mga isipan ninyo, siguro nag-iisip na kayo ng mga bilog-bilog ngayon. And closing our Zoom presentation tonight is a truly remarkable leader. Walang kapaguran ang taong to. Trust me. We've known these people since leading the charges, the changes, improvements at pagpapaganda ng marketing plan, ng mga additional opportunity to earn, ng mga incentives. It truly takes great resolve to make Prospera X a top-notch, first-class, and a true blue new sheriff in the MLM town today. So tonight, I am presenting to you the one true visionary leader, a no-nonsense founder, and one of the commander-in-chief. Let's all welcome the debonair, okay? The true commander-in-chief, our Chief Executive Officer, none other than Doc Mon Henson.
Okay, thank you, partner Eman. Okay, can you give us a thumbs up nga kay partner Eman? Sige nga, gusto ko makita yung mga thumbs up dyan. And also, of course, I want to give credit na napakagaling nating speaker for tonight, partner Mark Sona. Actually, this is my first time to hear Mark Sona, no? And talagang nakita ko very professional, very articulate, ang ganda ng presentation mo. So, can you give type 10 kung nagalingan ka kay partner Mark Sona? Sige nga, type 10. Sige nga. Okay. So alam nyo what excites me with Prosperex kasi right now we created the Speakers Club and right now we have three speakers, Mark Sona, Terdi Gelito, Paco and Mr. Bong Fariñas. Abangan nyo yung dalawa pa, no? Sila yung ating mga magiging mag-regular na maririnig nyo sa Zoom and out of town events natin and in the office, no? Yung sila po yung mga ating mga certified speakers. So talagang mga magagaling po yan. Pinili po namin yung mga best of the best sa team ngayon and sila po. Pero magdadagdag pa po kami and possible si partner Eman makapasok din yan sa ating speakers club. Okay? So anyway, nagandahan po ba kayo sa compensation plan? Maganda po ba ang Prospera X? Okay? Sige nga, type 1 kung nagandahan kayo sa comp plan. Sige nga, type 1. Okay, gusto ko makita. Wow. Actually, no, we're very happy and talagang hindi ko masabi na overwhelmed ako dahil in our first activity ngayon, nasa 53 attendees tayo. So sabi nga, 5,300. So 53 attendees, that's a good number, no? That's a good number to start a company. Talagang yung 53 na to, ito yung magpapadami ng mag-spread ng kagandahan na meron nakita nyo dito sa Prospera X. So by the way, same with you guys, I was also a network marketer. I've been in the MLM industry for 20 years. Kaya po, yung experience po namin dito ng management team, si Pres Cheryl, si VP Alan, ako po, napagsama-sama po namin, na-combine po namin. Kasi nga yung ginawa po namin yung network marketing, talagang ako kasi yung ginawa ko siya talagang ginive up ko po lahat eh. Even my profession, even I'm a dentist by the way. Ginive up ko po yun ng time na nag-network ko kasi yung income sa network naniniwala ako doon eh. Yung pinapakita pong figures sa MLM na 400,000 a month, 500,000 a month, 1 million a month or 2 million a month. Lahat po yun na experience ko po in MLM. And even when we put up a company, ganun din po, ang dami namin na-create na millionaires. So totoo po talagang may pera sa ganitong industriya. Kailangan nyo lang po makahanap ng right timing. Sabi nga, right timing, right products na mag-fit in kayo. And syempre yung kailangan yung sense of belongingness importante po. Yung timing kasi is very important in an MLM company. Kailangan masabayan mo siya yung tamang pa-momentum pa lang eh. And with Prosperex, ito po kasi when we did this, yung ginawa po namin to. Talagang ano po to eh. I think this is God's plan kasi po ako, I've been out in the MLM for actually 4 years mahigit po, no? And I was into e-commerce. Ako po, nag-retire na ako ng maaga kasi noong time naman, I already hit na yung pinakagusto kong mangyari sa MLM. Kumita naman po ako ng maganda. And of course, may dumarating sa point na nagiging routinary na pa. Parang gusto ko ng ibang industry. I decided to go to e-commerce, dropshipping, direct selling. Yun po yung ginawa ko noong time na yon. Eh pag ganun kasi tahimik lang yung buhay nan eh. Wala kasi masyadong mga tao kang ina-handle, wala ka masyadong mga distributors na hawakan kasi more on direct to the consumers po kami. And na-miss ko po yung MLM. Bakit ko na-miss? Kasi po I had an accident last year. Marami po nakakaalam na kwento ko na to. No? I had an accident. I burned 40% of my skin. Hindi lang po noticeable. Mabuti na lang na-save yung face ko. Pero pag nakita niyo po yung arms ko and legs ko talagang na-burn po yan. And that time doon ko na-realize na may calling pa rin sa akin, may purpose pa rin po si God is to share the goodness of God and siguro maka-uplift ng mga tao, ma-uplift yung lives ng mga kasamahan natin. So nakita ko kasi yung MLM is a platform na alam ko, I can say na expert kasi matagal ko na siyang ginagawa, alam ko na yung pasikot-sikot kahit nga nakapikit, sabi nga namin nila press, kaya natin gawin mag-build ng network. Pero syempre, mas maganda kung magtutulong-tulong tayo, magsama-sama tayo. So yun yung doon kami nagsimula, collaboration. Nag-start kami as collaboration. Sabi ko kay Press Cheryl, mag-collaborate tayo kasi ako, I've been out in the MLM for 4 years siya rin. I think more than a year na rin siya huminto. Sabi ko mag-collaborate tayo, pagsamahin natin yung strengths natin, magtayo tayo ng company na will create an impact na may purpose. Kasi this company is not for us, no? Ang goal po talaga namin dito is mag-create ng legacy in the MLM industry. Kung ano po yung naririnig nyo ngayon, nakikita nyo sa matataas ng malalaking companies, yun din po ang plano namin. Kaya talagang wala po kaming pahinga ngayon, wala pa kaming tulog, ilang araw na. Actually, talagang ganun kami ka-excited. Kasi bakit? Parang nangyari po kasi na-aligned eh. Na-align talaga lahat ng gusto naming mangyari sa Prospera X na aligned. Even the partnership of a pharmaceutical company, which is the SUS, babanggitin ko na, other MLM companies, they cannot name yung manufacturing nila. That's true. Kasi bakit hinahide nila yan? Hindi nila masabi kasi possible. Ano lang siya, mga graveyard lang, mga light na fly by night. Parang hindi, iba kasi hindi mo talaga ba banggitin. Tayo kasi we can name our partner, our support system sa products, which is the Zeus Pharmaceutical Company, itong Zeus Resources. Yun po yung naging partner natin. Kaya napaka-excited kami kasi lahat ng products na gusto namin maisip, na lahat na magti-trend in the market, pwede natin i-launch. Ganun tayo kalakas ngayon. Exciting ba yon? Yung lahat ng gusto nating maisip na produkto na pwedeng mag-boom, kaya natin ilabas. Sige nga, sabihin niya, type 10 nga kung okay ba yon yung ganong kagandang, ganong partnership. Imagine that, no? Actually, right now, we have the products, we have the Hencan, we have the True Vitamin C, pero marami pa po kaming ilalabas na produkto na tingin ko, hindi lang tingin ko, no? Tingin namin talagang magbo-boom kasi marami po kayo may offer na produkto sa market na hindi lang kayo nakafocus sa isang produkto or dalawa. Dito po, marami po kaming produkto na mailalabas. Siguro, ang goal kasi namin, quarterly, we can promote. Actually, may share lang po ako sa inyo. No? Ito, para kasi kayo yung unang-unang umattend ng activity natin dito. Siyempre, gusto namin kayo rin unang-unang makarinig o makakita ng mga produkto na pwede nating i-launch. Okay ba yan? Sige nga. Type 20 nga kung gusto mo marinig yung mga bagong produkto na ilalabas natin. Type 20. Okay? Okay, 20 to. Okay, ano ba yung mga products na yan? Actually, eto no, bigyan ko yan para may konti kayong idea. Meron ko tayong ilalabas. Eto, capsule. Yan, nakikita nyo ba? Yan, capsule. Yan. Okay, yan, capsule. Yan, ito yan. So, eto, lalabas na yung vitamin C by first week of November. Pero this week, meron kami mga ilalabas na produkto na para ma-market nyo agad na habang hinintay natin yung vitamin C, may mga produkto tayo nandyan para i-market nyo. No? So ito naman po, ito is a combination of ano naman to, no? May zinc, may magnesium, may vitamin C, may vitamin D. Ito yung Rescue 5. Yan. So, magiging available to by next week. So, inaayos lang po namin yan. Aside from this, ano pa yung mga pipeline natin? Ito po, no? Sino yung hirap matulog? Sino yung hirap matulog dyan? Yung may insomnia. Okay? Ako kasi dati hirap ako matulog. Ngayon, hindi na masyado. So, ito naman yung lalabas natin. It's a liquid shot. Yan. Kita ba? Okay, yan. Hindi ko makikita nyo. So, it's a liquid shot. Yan. So, nakasasya yan. Best chilled. O, lagay nyo sa ref. It's a sleep care melatonin-based, no? Iba't ibang flavor to. So, ito, ilo-launch din natin to very soon. Yan. Exciting ba to? Exciting? Sige nga. May market ba yung mga ganitong produkto? Type 1 nga kung may market yung mga ganitong produkto. 'Di ba? I mean, ito yung maganda with Prosperex kasi we will create yung mga products na ila-launch namin, ilalabas natin. Ito yung mga produkto na parang mag-aano ka lang eh. I-shift mo lang sila eh. Kasi yung hirap matulog, naghahanap sila ng brand diyan. Ito na 'yon. Vitamin C meron naman meron sa market. Ito na yun, meron tayo yung True Vitamin C. Aside from this, meron din tayong ilalabas. Ito actually ito dito ako exciting kasi medyo tumaba ako. Yan. Okay? Ito naman yung slimming detox. Kasi ito, hindi lang siya slimming, no? Detox talaga siya. Meron siyang tribiotic, no? Ano yung tribiotic? Meron siyang prebiotic, uh, probiotic, and postbiotic. So, good for the gut. Ano siya? Alam naman natin yung prebiotic, di ba? Meron yan ano ba yung sikat natin? Yung Yakult, di ba? So, ito yung mga product na liquid shot din po to. Yan. So, meron din tong very good in digestive system natin. So nakaka-detox talaga siya, mag-cleanse siya, mag-cleanse ka niya, then papayat ka. Okay? May market ba to? Meron, maraming gusto pumayat, no? Sa tagal ko sa MLM industry, ito yung usually mga produkto na may demand palaging may demand eh. Pero maganda kasi sa atin, liquid shot, hindi lang siya powder, hindi lang siya capsule, ito liquid shot, mabilis yung effect. Mabilis yung effect. Ano pa? Ito, share ko lang sa inyo, no. Ito naman, it's a jelly stick. Jelly stick siya ng, ito may Prospera na nga oh. Actually, kaya meron akong ganito kasi binigyan ako ni senior yung aming partner. Sabi niya, Doc, gusto ko i-try mo muna yung produkto. Parang ginawa nila kaming guinea pig kami nila Sheryl. Ginawa niya kaming guinea pig. Kami muna daw mag-take. Pag maganda yung effect, pag nagustuhan natin, ito ilabas natin. So marami kaming products na tinitake ngayon para gusto namin, yun yung ibibigay namin. Gusto namin effective talaga eh. So itong jelly stick naman na to, ito, napakaganda nito kasi bakit? 'Di ba? Alam naman natin yung araw nakakasira ng balat, 'di ba? Nakakasira ng skin. So usually pagka nagka-sunblock ka, medyo oily, mabigat sa face. Ito maganda ito, may oral sunblock na siya. Oral sunblock. So take mo na to, para ka na nag-sunblock. Aside from that, meron ditong glutathione and collagen. So nakaka-whiten siya. Tapos jelly stick siya. Jelly stick. So, ito po yung mga produkto na abangan nyo sa ProsperX. Okay? Ano pa? Marami pa. Actually, marami pa akong hawak dito. Pero saka ko na sasabihin sa inyo kasi ayoko munang gusto kong ma-excite kayo. Ma-excite kayo na ano pa yung mga abangan nyo. Pero at least yung mga binanggit ko sa inyong iba na yon, yun yung mga parating na pong produkto na nasa pipeline talaga na ilalabas namin. So, ganun po tayo kaganda yung company natin. Hindi po to yung company na yung mga produkto ay putyo-putyo lang. Lahat po ng produkto are clinically tested. Talaga pong napagdaanan kasi yung partner po natin is the Zeus Pharmaceutical. Malaking company po yan. Pag bumisiti po kayo sa office natin, no? Actually, yung office natin will be in Burgundy Tower sa 31st floor. Yan. So, familiar po ba sa Burgundy? Sa Burgundy, mostly mga MLM companies nandun po, no? Nandun din po, no? Maraming MLM companies dun sa Burgundy, kaya familiar na. Actually, yung isa sa malaking company, banggating ko na, AIM Global, familiar naman kayo dyan, is also there. Ang maganda po, we look down there. We look down sa kanila kasi bakit nasa 31st floor tayo? Okay, joke lang, kidding aside. Nasa 31st sila, nasa 6, 7, I think 7th floor sila eh. So ganun ang company natin. Sabi nga ni Mark kanina, nakinig ako kay partner Mark. Hindi biro mag-office sa Burgundy Tower, which is true kasi talagang kailangan mo may capital ka eh. And maganda kasi sa atin, pag bumisita kayo sa office, makikita nyo na rin katabi namin yung pharmaceutical company. So ganun kayo confident, ganun din kami ganun tayo, hindi natin tinatago. We're very transparent kung ano yung produkto natin na ilalabas. Alam nyo kung sino yung gumagawa. Kasi we have an exclusive partnership with Zeus Pharmaceutical. Okay ba yon? Sige nga, type 5 nga kung okay yung ganung partnership. Yan. So dito makaka-sure kayo na lahat ng produkto natin are CPR. May FDA po yan kasi bakit pharma company nga eh, 'di ba? Lahat ng ilalabas namin, bago namin ilabas, we make sure na yung produkto po namin are FDA registered, no. Yun po yung maganda with SUS kasi kaya kami nag-partner with SUS kasi we want Zeus wants us to focus on building the business side. Sila naman, ang focus naman nila is the legalities ng company sa produkto. Kaya kami nag-partner. Kasi mahirap, ako based on my experience in building a company, no, mahirap pag as an owner, lahat tatrabahuhin mo eh. Legalities, the building the network. So kaya kami rito nila Press Cheryl, nila VP Alan, ang trabaho namin ngayon is to create programs, to create exciting programs for you guys. No? Kaya papansinin niyo yung Prospera X Global, napakaganda ng compensation plan. Maganda ba yung compensation plan natin? Sige nga, type 100 kung nagandahan ka sa compensation plan ni Prospera X. Grabe po yan ha, yung complan po natin na yan, ilang araw po namin, hindi lang araw, no? Ilang linggo po namin pinagpuyatan yan. No? Talagang, imagine the extreme na lang, yung extreme bonus. The extreme bonus, pag nakakuha ka ng isa, I'll give you, eto na lang sige, mag-calculator tayo. Bigyan ko kayo ng figures. Gusto nyo kumita ng 100,000 agad? Imagine this, no? Makakuha ka ng isang extreme, magkano ang referral? Sabi kanina, 5,000, tama ba? Nakakuha ka ng pangalawa, magkano ulit? 5,000. So kung 5,000 plus 5,000, magkano na yon? 10,000, di ba? Ang maganda rito, sabi, merong sales match. Di ba? Magkano ang sales match ng extreme? Kung nakinig nga kayo kanina, sige nga, type nyo nga. Gusto ko makita, magkano yung sales match ng extreme? 6K, tama. So, plus 6,000 pesos. Okay, magkano na kinita mo? 16,000 na. Eh, di ba sabi kanina, pag yung pangatlong direct mo, ang kinita mo, hindi na 5K, magkano na? 6,500. Tama ba? 6,500, sabi. So, plus 6,500, may 22,500 ka. Nakina, 22,500, nakikita nyo, 22,500. Eh, meron ka pang bonus na ibibigay ng company. Magkano ang bonus ibibigay ng company? 100K, di ba? 50K cash plus 50,000 cash. That's 72,500 plus 50,000 worth of products. Gabi po, no? Tatlo lang po ang kailangan mo kunin, no? So, ganun kami ka-generous, ganun kaganda po, ganun ka-lucrative yung compensation plan natin. Kahit nga calculator lang, makakapag-present ka na eh. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi nyo na kailangan kung mag-focus lang kayo sa extreme, kaya even calculator, makakapag-present ka na. Ganun po kaganda yung compensation plan natin. Kaya dito po, we will make sure na yung Christmas nyo lahat, no? Yung Christmas natin lahat, no? Talagang kakaibang Pasko. Imagine this, no? Pag sinabayan nyo po si Prosperex. Kasi dito, ang maganda po, sabi ko nga, we're in the pre-positioning stage. Actually, mag-encoding pa nga lang tayo, di ba? Alam ko, ina-excite na kayo sa encoding. And ang encoding po natin, ay announce ko na po, no? Actually, tonight po, naka-prepare na kami for encoding. Pero sabi ni VP Alan, bukas na lang o kaya sa kasi gusto niya munang nagpalatag siya kanina. Nagpalatag siya ng I think parang nasa 20,000 accounts to check yung system kung yung compra talagang very safe. Nilatag nila lang ilang araw na. Nakita nila na very safe, even ganun kadaming na naging perfect yung kumpanya natin na even may kumamada, talagang very safe yung compra natin. Ganun po namin pinag-aralin yung compra na before namin nilabas, before namin pina-encode yung mga tao, chinek po namin kung talagang safe yung Complan kasi gusto po namin dito, it's a lifetime business. Gusto po namin mag-iwan ng legacy. Gusto po namin na pag pumasok po kayo dito, matagalan po tayo magsasama. Kaya nga, dito lang po, in just one account. Di ba? One account policy lang tayo. Even in one account, pwede ka kumita ng milyon. Saan ka nakakita na ganong Complan, no? One account lang po kayo, pwede kayo kumita ng millions. Kasi magkano yung maximum pairs per day po ng extreme account? That's 48,000 pesos per day. In a typical binary po, 15,000 pesos per day, 20,000 pesos per day. Tayo po, 48,000 pesos per day. On top, wala pa po yung yung Excel bonus. Yung exponential bonus. Wala pa lahat yun, Wala pa yung ibang ways of earning. So, napakadami nating ways of earning. Napakadami po nating pagkakakitaan dito. Marami kayong pagkakakitaan. Ang maganda po rito with ProsperaX, hindi lang po kami nag-focus dun sa MLM side, no? Kasi ang concept po natin, naka-prepare po kami for dropshipping. So, this is a dropshipping business, may wholesale business tayo, and ang maganda po, mayroon din po tayong franchising, which is very soon po, ilalabas na rin po namin yung ramen, yung vendo machine natin. So, it's an exclusive partnership din po. Ang maganda po rito, sa atin po yan, sa company po yung ProsperaX. Kasi po, that is a business of our President, Cheryl Edman. So yun po talagang exclusive rights pong nakuha niya from Japan para ilagay lang po rito sa Prospera X yung product na yon. Yan. So ganun po, marami kayong aabangan. Ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo, no, alam ko, it's 9:30 na pala, no, nag-extend kami, pero ang masasabi ko sa inyo, sabayan nyo kami dito kasi ito, this is itong sabi nga namin, itong negosyo na to, we want to create stories of breakthrough. Yung kung anong nangyari sa amin before sa MLM nung ginawa namin, gusto namin gawin dito sa mga maniniwala sa amin. Yung resulta namin, nagkaroon kami before, gusto namin ipakita sa inyo, ipa-experience sa inyo na mas madadalian kayo. Kasi kami medyo nahirapan kami nung time namin eh. Ngayon mas madadalian kayo kasi bakit? Naka-program na po for online and offline po to, no? Ganun po kaganda ang Prosperex. Okay? So yun lang po guys. Thank you guys for your time. And ito po, ang Zoom natin will be regular na po to. And yung office po namin possible by Saturday or by next week. Minamadali po namin lahat kasi gusto namin makapag-start na kayo makapunta ng office. Alam ko, excited na kayo magpunta ng office. So kanina, sila Fresh Cheryl, naghiwalay kasi kami. Iba yung activity namin kanina. Si Fresh Cheryl and si VP Alan nandun sila sa office and kakaalis lang nila doon. No? So talagang nag-ayos sila rin kasama yung mga staff doon. Inayos nila yung office. So para at least possible by Saturday or Monday, makapag-start na tayo doon. Okay? Yun lang guys. And yun lang, sabi nga namin dito sa Prosperex, your dreams expand without limits. Wala po tayong limitasyon dito. Okay? See you at the top. Balik ko na po kay partner Eman.
Thank you very much, CEO Mon Henson. Do we have some parting words from our president, Cheryl Edman? Boss? President?
Dakman, wala kang mic.
Wala siya ngayon, wala siya.
Okay.
Kakauwi lang nila. So nasa biyahe siya ngayon. Pero nandito siya nakikinig sa Zoom natin. Okay?
Okay, thank
Kasi
you.
for tomorrow.
Yes, boss. Thank you, CEO. Partner, Mark. So
Yep.
I think that's pretty much it for
before
now.
we leave the meeting, pwede ba tayo mag-take ng picture lahat? Pwede bang ma-request
Yeah. Okay,
to see
let's.
all your faces para magkaroon tayo ng mga memories during the first launch of the first ever Zoom na official Zoom na
Yes.
ginawa natin. Lahat po na naka-open yung camera. Ang gagwapo niyo po at gaganda.
Oo nga pala, first, natin to, no? First
Yes
talaga,
po.
na to, history in the making to, yung mga umattend dito.
History in
Patatandaan
the
namin yung
making.
mga mukha nyo. And sige, dahil umattend kayo ngayon, pag umattend kayo bukas, magpaparaffle ulit kami.
Yun!
Kaya, gusto ko makita yung faces nyo. Yung may picture lang, yung naka-open yung kami, yung paparaffle natin, ha? Okay, bibigyan natin ng Hencan at saka ng True Vitamin C, yung mga nandito ngayon, okay? So,
Wow.
dapat nandun din kayo bukas para mabigay namin kasi i-raffle natin yan bukas.
Okay, let's do our sign, no? Ano natin yung sign natin. We are Prospera. Ganyan tayo ng ating hand, no? Ganyan po yung Prospera. Kami po minsan dalawang kamay, no? Ayan, so ready. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Thank you very much. Tapos, yung iba, ayaw magbukas ng camera.
Okay lang yan. Yung nakabukas yung kami, yung may raffle.
Yo.
Totoo yan, pa-raffle kami bukas. Hindi lang namin na-prepare yung spin a wheel. Pero bukas, i-prepare natin yan para at least yung mga umaten ngayon saka yung tomorrow magkakaroon ng free products, matry niyo yung produkto natin.
Thank you, CEO. So, partner Mark.
Yep,
Now,
I would like to recognize the participation ng Team TribeX, no?
yes.
Sigaw naman tayo diyan. Coach Nads, our co-founder, Coach Ivy, and the rest of the Team TribeX, Coach Teen, ang dami po nila diyan. Thank you very much for coming, and to all the leaders na nandito. Simulan na po natin 'to. Wag na po natin 'tong sayangin. This is our time, this is our chance. Okay, we have our napaka alam niyo po yon, God-given na mga owners na alam niyo pong tutulungan talaga tayong i-transition tayo from one point to another, no? From being ordinary to extraordinary. So, asahan nyo po, kasulong nyo po kami, kasama nyo po kami with the management. Magtulong-tulungan po tayo dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Let's keep on pushing. God bless po. Thank you, Doc. Thank you po sa management. Thank you,
On behalf
everyone.
of the management, thank you for
Guys,
all for tonight, guys.
to the
Fellow
next.
Presbyterians. New attendees, go spread the great business opportunity. And again, great night, guys. Bye.